Hey guys, welcome to this video. Right now we are ready to create your Instagram account. If you already have an account, please jump to the next video, the next lecture here, and we can continue from there. If not, let's do this right now. So here I am with my cell phone. You can see it's connected to the screen so you can see all the process, and this is how it will work during the course. You will be with me here watching what I am doing exactly on the phone, on the Instagram app, learning all these amazing strategies. So let's do that right now. Here we are on the Instagram app. Let's open the app, and Instagram is asking us to log in. So if you have an account, and you can log in here so you can access your information. If not, at the very bottom of the screen you see don't have an account. So click there, sign up. And right now, because I have the Facebook app on my phone and Facebook is the owner of Instagram, you can log in, you can continue with your Facebook credentials if you want. Or if you prefer, you can click on sign up with phone or email. So if you have a Facebook account and you see your name here, just click on continue as, and you will be ready to go. If not, in this case, we will do the sign up with phone or email. So let's do this right now. I will click on the email option, and here I will enter my email. In this case, I have a temporary email, which is temp3@diegodavila.com. This email is just for test. So if you want to talk with me and you email to this address, I probably won't be able to see your email. Click on next. Here we enter the name. So for this specific course, as you know, we will work with a bakery. So in this case, I will enter my business name. Here you enter your business name, or if you are creating the account for your personal use, or if you are your brand, you can enter the brand name here. In this case, let's use Diego's Bakery. Okay, and enter a password. Let me enter a generic password like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. Of course, you need a stronger password, right? Welcome to Instagram. This is the temporary username I have right now, which is temp32018. Now, Instagram is inviting us to find more people, so we can click on next here. Excellent. And if you want, you can connect with Facebook. Please do it. If you have a Facebook account, just click on connect with Facebook. I will skip this because I don't want all my Facebook friends to see this example that I'm creating for you right now. Find contacts. In this option, Instagram will search in your phone for specific contacts that you may have, and they will match with the Instagram app. So if you have a contact name on your phone and this person is also on Instagram, Instagram will show you here. I will skip this for now. Profile picture, don't worry about this. We will have a complete lecture about this and how you can select the absolute best and most optimized profile picture for your account. So let's skip this for now. Login info, save login info. Yes, let's save that. Now you click on done. And let's see here, find people to follow. Let's cancel this, and that's it. Right now we have a brand new Instagram account for you, for your business. In this case, I have Diego's Bakery here, and you see that it's all blank. We don't have any information here right now, but in the next video, we will start building a very strong presence, a very strong profile for you here to make sure that everybody that comes here, they follow you on Instagram, number one, so you have more and more followers, and they start creating an amazing relationship with you and with your brand. Let's go now to the next video where we will be transforming this personal Instagram account, this is a personal account, into a business account. Let's do that in the next video.